Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the best discount code for Glovo in 2025, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply get help of the third-party website that can give you a list of promo code or discount code. So the first website you can see that is worth penny. So you can simply follow this URL like glovoapp.worthpenny.com/coupon, where you can find most updated coupon code, and it is verified. Here you can see the verified symbol. So you can simply do is read these details about the discounts or the offer. Then you have to simply click on show code, and it will reveal the code here. Now this copy button will help you to copy this promo code, and you can use it on Glovo whenever you're going to order something, order some meal from the Glovo. Now the second website is Knozy. So you can follow this glovo.knozy.com/promo codes, and you can find this list here for Glovo. Here is one, the second, third, fourth. There's 4 deals and codes are available. Here is 2 codes, and here is some deals that will help you to get to their discount page, where that is actually embedded with this button here. You can see here there is off. Here you can see 20% off, 55% off here. Here is also 55% off, 97% likes here actually in those are. So here you can find different types of discounts that actually it leads you to the discount page. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.